Hey everyone, guess what? 411 Trailers has grown to Black Rhino Trailers. 411 or 411 Marine is a housing location for this really cool aluminum car slash landscape slash whatever you want to make it. 5,200 pound capacity, 18-foot long deck. It's got a bifold gate. So really cool. It actually folds flat inside, or you can lay it back like it is, or it folds in half in the upright position or full upright. 15-inch tires are optional, 14-inch tires available. 7,000 GVWR. Give us a call, 843-784. Oh, that's incorrect. I screwed up. But anyway, you can call us at 843-784-5797. That's my boat yard, and we'll get you to the right person.